What we do here at Sophos Survival is help you be prepared for life's crazy adventures. What I mean by life's adventures are all the crazy stuff that happens to us in our lives. Maybe that's this big event like a natural disaster, earthquake, flood, fire, but realistically, what that is probably gonna be is something smaller and the things that might happen to us on a day-to-day basis. Maybe your kid falls down and hurts himself on his bike and you gotta do some first aid. Maybe you're out to dinner and maybe you need to perform CPR. Maybe you're the first on the scene of an accident. Maybe you're out with your family and your car breaks down out in the middle of nowhere. Those are the kind of emergencies and just everyday adventures that we're trying to help people prepare for here at Sophos Survival.
Sophos is a Greek word that means wisdom. The reason I chose to include that in the name of the company is because my goal is to teach and instill emergency preparedness, survival, and self-reliance as an attitude and as a way of life. Of course, good quality gear and supplies are important and a big part of our business, but that's only part of the equation.
Being prepared for those life's adventures has a bunch of different aspects. You've got the gear and the supplies on one side of the equation, and the other side is knowledge and training and practice. And that's really what Sophos is. It's combining all of those things together, and that's what we're trying to accomplish here at Sophos Survival. My background is in aviation, so as a pilot, you practice emergencies constantly. If you don't practice consistently, when something happens, you are more likely to be caught off guard. You're gonna just stare at the problem. You're gonna have that deer in the headlights kind of an effect. But if you train and you go through that situation multiple times, when it actually happens, you are way more likely to respond the way that you trained and rise to that level of practice rather than just staring at the problem. Sophos Survival is your one-stop shop. We've got all of the gear and supplies, as well as education and training.
We offer everything from water storage to food storage, first aid kits and supplies, camping and outdoor gear, off-grid power, 72-hour and other survival kits, freeze dryers and supplies, knives, tools, fire starting supplies, backpacks, sleeping bags, and a lot more.
Emergency preparedness and survival does not have to be scary, intimidating, or overwhelming. Come in and let us help you get prepared. Adventure awaits. Be ready.